Welcome back, everyone. Would a fuller head of hair give you that much-needed confidence boost? Well, Dr. Stanley Okoro is here with the latest in hair restoration technology. Welcome back, Doctor.
How are you, Christine?
I am so happy to see you. I saw you were listed on the rundown this week. I thought,
yes,
he's fabulous. And I love that today we're talking about something that's so important to both women and men.
That's right.
And that is hair restoration. So
yes,
tell us all about this. It's called SmartGraft.
Yes, so SmartGraft, as you know, so many men and women suffer from hair loss. So SmartGraft is the latest technology in hair restoration for both men and women. We use it in an in-office procedure, same-day procedure. You come and have it done, and you're on your way.
Doctor, I will say a long time ago, probably 30 years ago, my uncle, I felt like at the time, probably one of the first people to get, hair transplants. And, we've come a long way because I remember that not looking so great. But these days, the technology is incredible. So tell everyone how it works and how effective it is.
So basically, people are used to the old strip where you have a scar at the back of your head, and nobody wants that, especially, I wear low hair.
Yeah.
So basically, we take the strip. Not strip, we take not punch graft, but follicular units, small individual hair follicles. Ooh. It is numbed up, so the patient is not, you're not feeling anything under local anesthesia, no need for general anesthesia. And we put the hair one by one, so it looks like it's natural hair.
Wow.
And it is your hair, it is your own hair, nothing artificial at all. And it grows in a few months, and from this to that.
No, that's incredible.
Yeah, so it's your own hair, individually removed and placed under local anesthesia, and there's no big linear scarring. So you can wear your hair short like mine, or long as you want.
Wow, that was incredible.
Yeah.
The thickness and how much really actually returned.
Right.
Let's talk about the actual process for the procedure. I'm sure it depends on how much you're trying to replace,
yeah,
right?
So it really depends on how much area hair that you're trying to replace. But most people, for men, it's usually the male pattern ball, like this man here. So we replace that with hair. It gives you more of a natural, age-appropriate hair.
That is incredible. It looks wonderful. And let's talk about how many treatments you actually need. That varies as well?
It varies in terms of, depending on how much density you're trying to get. So for many patients, it could be a one session, depending on how much hair you lost.
Sure.
Sometimes you can do a second session, but most patients are one session only.
Look at that.
Yeah, so it gives you a natural hair. There's no linear scarring. It looks natural. It's your own hair. This is all the before that. We also use it for brow too.
Look at the difference there.
Yes. So
that is phenomenal.
You can use it for any way you want to replace it. And for men and women have, especially those that wear braids, have what we call traction alopecia.
Yeah.
And we can replace those individually. It looks natural with your own hair.
Is incredible. And you mentioned no scarring. So we'll start to see the hair growth. I think I saw in the graphic in 6 months.
In 3 to 6 months, but the full hair will be growing in about six months to a year.
And what would you say makes this better than the rest? As I mentioned before, the technology has come a long way.
It is the latest technology. It's the first closed system. The hair is kept moist, it's not dried, it's rejuvenated before it's placed in. It's very, very the latest technology in hair restoration.
Unbelievable. And certain types of hair or any hair?
Any hair. Wow. Basically, we do red hair, black hair. And so
look at her. She's
so this patient is being done while she's on her phone. It's local anesthesia. This is Dr. Dibernard, a good friend of mine. He also has SmartGraft. So it's done the same day. You're on your way. We give our patients lunch or food, whatever. There's iPads and phones. You could do whatever you want to do.
Because you're not feeling anything.
Or if you want to sleep, that's fine too.
Yeah, go ahead. That too. But if you want to get some work done, incredible.
Yes.
And then I know you have an amazing offer, so tell us more about this.
So of course, the Atlanta company called us. So we're offering $250 gift certificate to the first 5 callers.
Wow, that's great savings.
Call the number on the screen, or they can go to smartgraft.com to
$250 for the first 5 callers.
Yes.
Call now. And this is something that really then, again, once you have that regrowth, it's permanent?
It is your own hair. It is we take it from the area of your scalp that, when people lose hair,
yes,
the part of the back it doesn't go away. It's
Right.
genetically programmed not to go away. So we use those hair from the back
Sure.
to replace the ones you lost. So they're not going to go back here, they're not going to go back there. So it looks natural. And then we also use other medical technologies to support the new hair. It's not just a
Sure.
transplant, but medical therapy is very important.
Okay, wow. And the fact that you can do it for eyebrows. We always talk about this show, you know, over plucking. I look at pictures of myself in the 80s. Now I'm going to have to try that. That seems incredible.
Yes, so there's so many options. The best thing is to come and see a plastic surgeon that's versed with this,
Yes.
and we'll discuss all of the options for that particular patient.
Thank you, Dr.
Yes.
Okoro. So glad to see you again.
It was awesome to be here.
We
Thank you.
appreciate it. And again, for more details, please head to smartgraft.com or call the number. It's 844-327-6278. Take advantage. The first 5 callers are going to get a $250 gift card towards your treatment. Incredible. And this segment was paid for by SmartGraft.